how's everyone doing? It's Sunday, which means it's a wet dusting day. I try and spray everything down and do a really good dusting on Sundays, and then on Wednesday or Thursday I can pull out the Swiffer duster thing and just kind of go over everything for the week. I don't know, it seems to be working right now, so that's how I'm gonna do it. So anyways, yeah, I feel like I can never keep up with the dust. Man, I pray we get some snow to keep the dirt and dust down because it is bad right now. I'm an amazing housekeeper. Well, I'm not. I can't even remember the last time I cleaned these nasty windows. Honestly, I hate cleaning windows. And with all the little fingers and dog nose prints, what is the point? Did them today so I could hang up these nightlight things, but they wouldn't stick, so I was forced to clean them. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna get those curtains in the wash. Just one more thing I don't do nearly enough, and I don't know why, I do love the smell of fresh curtains. It is just, I don't know, it makes it feel so good and clean. I love it. Good old Tough and Tender wipes. These are my favorite things to clean TVs with. It is just so easy. You literally just wipe them down and you're done. This is my first time cleaning Pat's new TV. He was pretty excited to get a new TV, and it hasn't collected much dust since it's only been up here for a few days, so woohoo! Glad Tough and Tender wipes work easily as good on my computer because it gets just as gross as the dang TVs. I don't know why, but they collect dust like you would not believe. Vacuuming, the chore that has to be done daily in this house. Or it should be done daily. Does it get done daily? Nope. Well, sometimes. But usually, every other day, I try and force myself to do it if I haven't. So, we try. My pets, I love my pets, I love my pets. I have to keep repeating this to myself as I vacuum. The amount of hair that falls off, it's a wonder that any of these animals around here have any fur left. I don't even know how they do. Or at least the little canister on my vacuum, it's filled. I don't get it, y'all. I don't get it. How do they even have any hair left on their body? Anybody else have a pet like that? I know it's not just me. Furry little guys. Man. And I tell you, I hate getting dog hair on me, so it's a whole
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, we're sure as hell funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. You see, we just like a little crazy.
We got the cleaning done, so now we need to get on to this putting Christmas stuff away madness. Sorry for, well, I'm not sorry, but it was kind of different intro with the voiceover, but you know, we have little Miss Josina here. She's homesick. We didn't go to church today. This one's sick. It was just, it's a day, y'all. Anyways, we're gonna push through and get this Christmas stuff done because I want it out of my way. And yeah, I guess she's gonna Lego while I do that. So, should we get it done, girlfriend? Christmas tree has finally been located. I'm gonna put these things back in these bulbs so we can get them hung. I think Esme and I might take, we got these, yeah, let me grab them. Alright, we got these paint markers. I think Esme and I might write little things on them maybe, I don't know. And then we're gonna hang them up, huh?
In my day, can I do that too?
Sure.
And you can write it.
Okay.
I'm done.
I love it. Girls got their ornaments from last year that were on this tree that they're gonna hang on their trees in their room. We're gonna get these done. We're getting closer to being ready for Christmas as far as decorating. It's kind of an off year. Usually I'm done decorated by now, but I just haven't found the motivation and get up to go to do it this year. I don't know why, but anyways, here we are. We're getting it done, and it'll be done before Christmas, so, you know, that's the main goal, right? All right, I'm gonna finish putting these things in these. Esme and I will paint them, and then tree decorating time. Woohoo!
Hey guys!
All right, we got most of our tubs emptied out. For the most part, it's a whole Christmas mess around here. We're not at all done. We did get the tree done and the ornaments.
That's me.
So darn cute.
That's
I
me.
love it. Bless you.
That's me, Mom.
Bless you. And then we got this garland started. He's not done, but he started. This little lady right here is feeling better. Her temperature's gone down. Battery died. We got a new one of those. Josina and I are going to do her advent calendar here quick. And then I think she's going to go to bed and hopefully wakes up and feels better tomorrow, right?
Uh-huh.
Hopefully. Do you think you will?
Uh-huh.
All right, we gotta get your paper out. think it's in here, and your glue, and this other advent calendar. Where's the glue? Do you know where the glue is?
Nope.
Well, I don't know either. It says, you will have a baby, the angel said. There was a little town called Nazareth. A young woman named Mary lived there. She was engaged to Joseph the carpenter. An angel brought Mary good news. You will have a baby, the angel said. Are you sneezy? Alright, we gotta do day 5 on here. Let's find number 5. Esme's taking a shower, so if I haven't started editing this by the time she gets out, we'll let her open hers. Here's some chocolate. Shove this one in. Oh, goodness. Poor baby. And just for the record, she hasn't coughed or anything until I turn this camera on, so that's fun. That's fun. Number 4 fell off. We didn't glue them on very good, apparently. Alright, number 5. When out on the lawn, there arose such a clatter. I sprang from the bed to see what was the matter. Oh, whoops. Am I doing your job? Mm-hmm. Alright. Can you tell our viewers goodbye?
Why?
What should they do if they haven't?
Comment down below.
Comment down below. Should they leave a Christmas tree down below?
Uh-huh.
Alright, you heard her. Comment a Christmas tree down below if you watched all the way to the end. Also like and subscribe if you have not already. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye!